Thank you. Just trying to get my light right. These barbecue wings, man, they're probably some of the best I've had. They know what they're doing at Whole Foods, man. And I ain't trying to be bougie, I'm just trying to be real. You know what I'm saying? Y'all could have Wingstop. Wingstop's good. You want to get a little healthier though? It's gonna be it right here. Tastes so good, make you want to slap your mama. Ain't that right, Willie? Yeah, boy. Hey, mama, what the hell you want, Willie? Damn. Friday after next, man. Classic. Oh, and I didn't even tell you, man, these are already made. These are already cooked. So if you go to Whole Foods, it's gonna be in the where all the food is at. Yeah, like the hot bar. They're already cooked, ready to go. So if you get there, they're gonna be warm for you. I like to bring them to the house and put them in the oven. You know what I'm saying? Get that extra crispiness to them. But that's just my preference. But it's been real, man. Holler at y'all later. Peace.